What is used for terrain pattern curve line function and how do you use it? Look!
This is a downhill slope with a curve. The client didn't specify a grade, so the operator needs to grade a smooth curved downhill section based on the actual site conditions.
Even an expert operator can elbow where to cut and fill, but you will always get some overfill or end cut.
Not to mention in spots where you just can't see clearly. That's when you use the curve line feature. Just take a few points from the start to the finish, and the software will draw the curve and set the slope for you. As the excavator moves, the software automatically displays the cut-fill depth and centerline offset. The result is a perfectly graded curved slope. Now let's look at how to operate this function. Tap on Curve Line. Here, you can create a new project, modify an existing one, or resume the last session. Click New. Here, enter your project name. You can then define your guideline by selecting from left tip, center tip, right tip, RTK, also known as a GNSS receiver, or a point library.
Note, when collecting points, try to take them along the center of intended path. Now, the guidelines shows the centerline offset.
For short work, use a bucket tip. Place it directly on the ground point you need. For instance, select left tip to record that point. Then, move and record at least 3 additional points from different positions. For long work, use the RTK handheld, pole height 0, on the ground to capture points between start and end. If you're using a pole, adjust the pole height here. Enter its actual length. Select RTK to log the point's 3D location, then move on to collect at least 3 more points in order. After completing the steps above, click Next. Then choose between Amount of Cut or Fill or Aim High. Selecting the Amount of Cut or Fill option means using your points as they were before excavation. You'll then need to enter the start and end cut-fill values in the fields below. By default, it uses your first and last points to calculate slope and elevation difference. Aim High, in contrast, uses points that are already at their final excavated level. If so, reacquire or select from the library your start and end points. The slope and elevation difference will auto-update. In Amount of Cut or Fill mode, hit Start. Starting displays over-under excavation values and a machine side view. Here, focus mainly on the over-under excavation values and the center offset below. Think of the middle side view as a helper. You can also change it to a different view here.